Dira Chai for Days of Art Bangkok. What are you presenting this year at that fair?
Yes, at the fair this year, we are doing the whole concept of eco, right? Disawat is presenting the eco in the theme of off-cut materials, and also we have the new material, which is like a recycled material from the aluminum and also from the jeans, right? We do some combination of this eco theme and present it at this year's. Right, but for this award right now, what we are considering is that eco does not have to be 100% eco, because by the end, the look itself is not marketable. So we try to find that how to make the eco marketable by doing the communication with the materials like wood, aluminum, and fabrics, and different type of the wood.
Interesting.
Yes.
I've heard that you have also new projects concerning blind people and
Yes, because the new trend, because we try to find the trend in the market, and what we are feeling is that maybe instead of trying to find what is the next trend, we try to find the projects where we create the furniture to have the wellness furniture. That means there's some information or there's some meaningful, right? Try to support some people. We do the first three projects with one is communication bench, where we try to concentrate the people to create the space for just for communication, right? And the second piece is actually the breast stool, which is a supportive stool for the elderly people and the people who have the back problem. This one we got award in Hong Kong last year for the from WHO for the wellness award also. And the third piece is that we are doing the braille bench, which is the wording for the blind, right? We try to inscribe the wording on the braille wording, which said if you sit alone, try to move a bit to a side and give some space. What we try to communicate is that everybody have the responsibility in the society. So even the blind, if you can share some space or if you can do something back to the society, right, you can have more meaningful of, like, you feel more happy, like that you are helpful to other people also. That is what we try to communicate also.
interesting. And what about these 3 days of fair? How is going?
This 3 day affair, the feedback is very good, because right now Thailand is presenting the whole thing as the whole under the same roof. I mean under the same theme, right? And the feedback right now still we are still a lot of customer in Milan are more on the projects. Actually, we try to emphasize more on the project, and we are quite successful because this award is not only doing the furniture, we are also doing the project solution to the customer. We have the doors and also for the flooring and customized for the wall and everything also. So I think we are lucky that we prepare quite well for this exhibition.